So for today's video, kami ay makiki-birthday. I'm with Taba and Moon. So nandito pa lang kami sa Central. Bye-bye. See you later.
Welcome to the 8th birthday celebration of Mary Lurie this afternoon. So, today we will flutter as Mrs. Soria and Joey Diaga. Lakad na doon. Dance na! Yan! Seryoso ni Mary. Ay, wow! Napaka-romantic ni Kuya. Nini, tingin sa picture niyo. Daw kasi. Craft. Sige na yun, dance. 8 roses ni Nini. Okay. Yung meron mo para sa 9th and 10th birthday. Yes. Meron mo pang 11. O, padaan mo na si Lolong Manoy. Birthday niya. Bagay sa